Hello dear students, this is Shahira from Smart Vision School. Welcome to our English Corner. In this video, I'll be showing modal verbs and the difference between should and must. Should is a modal verb. It is used to offer advice, give opinions, or make suggestions. You should sleep early. It's also used to ask for advice. Should I make more sandwiches? It is used to say that you expect something to happen. It should be warmer tomorrow. Must is a modal verb which is used to express obligation or necessity. You must pay today. It's also used for logical assumptions. They must be hungry. It is used with strong suggestions or recommendations. You must read this book. Mustn't is used to say that something is not allowed. You mustn't use your mobile here. Alternatives to modals. Has or have to can also express obligation or necessity with all tenses. You have to do something. You will have to rewrite your essay. Remember, had to is the past of must. I had to look after my little brother on Saturday. Ought to is also used to offer advice, give opinions, or make suggestions. We ought to be more worried about the environment. Notice that we use modals with the bare infinitive except for ought to. Now it's time for practice. Complete the following sentences with the correct modal verb. You study your lessons regularly. You need to improve your level. You park your car here. It's not allowed. You come and have lunch with us. Can you guess the answers? Let's see the answers together. You should study your lessons regularly. You need to improve your level. You mustn't park your car here. It's not allowed. You must come and have lunch with us. Thanks for watching. If you liked my videos, press like. Make sure you've subscribed to our channel to see our lessons regularly. Bye for now.